say ABCs.
A, B, C, D, C, F, G,
H, I, J, K.
O, the P, A, R, S, T, B, Y, S, S, Y, Z, Y, O, E, S, N, Y, S, S, N, Y, S, S, N, Y.
Now I know my
S, S,
ABCs.
S, 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 S,
Okay,
S,
can you sing Jingle Bells then?
Jingle bells, Batman got mouse.
What do you tell Mommy how old you are? 3 years old?
Yes.
Okay, be nice. And what do you want from Santa for Christmas?
Robot puppy.
A robot puppy, nothing else?
A bit batteries in it.
Put batteries in it?
Yes.
Okay, can you do a little dance? Go back,
Yes.
go back there and do a little dance so I can get you in there.
No.
Dance? Say Merry Christmas. Come here and blow a kiss.
Okay. Kiss.
No. Wait, come here. Blow me a kiss. Brian and Brady, December 24th, 2000.
Turbo Man, which reminds me, you got the doll, right?
Doll.
Yeah, it was a Turbo Man doll. I asked you to pick one up 2 weeks ago.
Oh. That doll. Of course.
Howard, please tell me that you did not forget that doll.
No, I got it. I got the Gentleman doll. The one that has those tubes that shoot out in front. Right away.
This place would probably be constantly returning. Oh, wait, hey, where are you going?
I just have to run with the orchestra.
Howard, Christmas Eve. You can't be going to the office.
Merry Christmas.
That's not here.
Daddy's not? Yes, he is. Brian. Merry Christmas.
Hi. You scared me. I didn't think you'd have a video camera up here.
Let's go wake the other monkeys up. Oh, he knew you. I won't get you in your underwear in there.
See, gel, search and find, tattoos, shorts,
Oh, you got lots of boxers.
boxers.
Oh, they're all
shorts.
boxers.
Oh, and then there's candy, socks, goggles. See?
Oh,
And
the next Mexico
picture
trip.
frame.
Nice. Okay, let's go get the other guys up.
Ready? He's Santa.
You want to see Santa?
Yeah.
Santa's sleeping.
But he's not.
Brady.
Oh,
Who's that?
sunglasses. I got the
Jesse. Who's this?
It's his present.
Open your stocking.
Look here. That's
Okay,
what.
Come open your stocking.
What's in there?
Look at this.
You got a phone?
Thank you guys. You're very welcome. Yes.
Tell her behave.
Kiss your mom. Kiss your mommy.
You're welcome, my love.
Now I'll be free. That's nowhere to go.
Are you happy?
Everything is
take my puppies too.